All right, this video is for chevrons, and what you'll notice is that my piece of paper already has a grid of 8 by 8 squares. It has diagonal 16ths in both directions. So the first thing I'm going to do is my marker to choose where I'm going to start. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. I'm going to choose this third box, the edge of this third box, and I'm going to follow the diagonals here and do a zigzag across the paper. The line that I'm creating right here, these are going to be mountain folds. So I'm going to grab the paper and make sure this is a mountain. You'll notice that this is starting to peak as well as a mountain. Behind this point, it's going to become a valley. So in order to make that a mountain, you can see I've created a valley back here and a mountain here. And this is going to be a mountain all the way across. You'll notice that this, again, behind the point, becomes a valley. This has become a mountain. There's a pattern here. Mountain, valley, mountain, and so on. So notice after I get a few of these folded, you should be able to collapse them together as they come across. And finally, all the way across. So there's my first row of chevrons. Again, you can see so I'm going to go ahead and flatten this out because I need to show you where my next row is going to go. Just like we had a mountain, valley, mountain pattern here, it's going to be the same as our chevrons go up and down the paper. So this next dot here, if this was my mountain, this is going to be a valley if I follow those lines. And this one's going to be a mountain. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this in. So my paper has some memory. I can keep that there. Now I'm going to work on this next set of mountains. So it pops in. So notice I'm working from one side. Sometimes it's helpful to even hold those together. Popping, reversing some folds as I go here. After you get 2 or 3 rows of this, it becomes fairly easy and straightforward. You'll notice it's starting to pop all together. So now you can see I've got 2 rows of chevrons. The next ones in the back are fairly easy. I'm just going to pop just this. And this is where we would put dots again if we were to put valleys here. And continue that across. I'll go ahead and pop these guys up. So that paper looks like it has 2 mountains and 2 valleys. I'm going to go ahead and continue this without marking the rest, but I think it's a good idea to mark your paper with the lines, if that's helpful, and the dots. So next row in front, looking for my valleys and my mountains. And keep going. There you go. There are your chevrons folded into your paper.